We had a therapy dog visit the ICU at one of my contracts. Most therapy dogs do not come to the ICU, but this one was special. This one even said that they could go into the patient's room up on the bed with them, as long as they weren't under any sort of isolation. And at the time, I was taking care of a patient who is chronically ill and has been in the ICU for 8 months. Somehow the patient had no infection and no isolation precautions, which, if you know anything about ICU patients, that is so incredibly rare to have a chronically ill patient not have any sort of infection, even if it's just MRSA. So when I saw this little Maltipoo frou-frou dog standing outside my patient's room, I was so excited because I knew that this would make this patient's entire day. We get the therapy dog up on the bed with the patient. And the patient is petting the dog, and the dog is getting really close to his face. And that's when the therapy dog goes in for a big ol' lick of the patient's bridle. Yes, the crusty, dusty bridle around my patient's stop-off tube. And that's when I said, all right, it's time to wrap it up. Thank you so much for visiting.